Hello out there, drivers. Today is about relaxation. So sit back and let's deal with the stresses of the road. Let me turn on the reverb. Click. Let's begin with our breathing exercises. Inhale, green lights, right turns at red lights, and exhale, bullshit traffic stops and giant fucking trucks. Good job. Now, inhale, slow traffic staying right, and new car smell, and exhale, slow cars in the fast lane, and long fucking traffic lights. Now don't forget to breathe while I take you on a journey of wonderful and peaceful traffic. When driving, a lot of motherfuckers don't pay attention so well, as they've got Facebook, and we all know how important they are, because they have to look at their Facebook when they're driving. I can't blame them and you can't blame them, they're just more important than you are. So they're updating their goddamn Facebook while they're driving a 4,000-pound vehicle. So get off your goddamn phone, the light turned green like 30 seconds ago and I gotta poop! And to the gentleman that cuts you off in traffic just to make a turn directly in front of you, hats off to you for getting away without getting murdered. But until then, go fuck yourself, you're a cunt. Everybody hates you, and you're a piece of shit. Whenever you're at a stoplight and an intersection is nearby, it shows great character to not block the entrance to a business, so that drivers can come and go as they please. So in a better world, these entrances will be open for people to drive in and out of, because people unfortunately need to go in and out of those entrances. So don't block the goddamn entrances to businesses, you fucking assholes. Just be a fucking awesome guy. The job of the government is to provide and take care of basic infrastructure. This includes roads. Why the fuck do I have to pay to get on a goddamn toll road? I avoid them like the plague. Toll roads should be blown up. Well, I mean, you just take down the tolling thing, but that's not going to happen. So in the future, all toll roads will be like other roads, just a road, because you're already paying for it. Fuck toll roads, that's all. So I hope you have a peaceful drive in traffic this morning or evening. And next post will be based on news. I just enjoy these, and well, frankly, I just kind of ran out of ideas, and I just enjoy making these anyway, so more shit to come. And thank you for watching QuoteNewsQuote. Now, go fuck yourself.